Let me share a principle every strong man should live by. It's Wise O.G. rule number 15, and it's be useful. Men bring value to their home, their family, and their community. They help, they support, they contribute in the best way they can. Now check this out. A man who only lives for himself weakens the village, but a man who serves something bigger than himself helps the village grow stronger. Strong communities do not appear by accident. They are built, partially at least, by useful men. We're talking about men who mentor young people, who organize programs, who build institutions, who step forward when everybody else is stepping back. If something in your community is broken, you don't sit around complaining about it. Your question should be, what can I do to help solve the problem? Maybe you mentor young men. Maybe you create some type of program or an organization that serves the people. Maybe you just help bring people together to discuss solutions. But whatever you do, you as a man should be bringing value, because that's what men do. They don't just consume the benefits of a community, they contribute to it, strengthen it, protect it. And they help build things that will outlast them. That's what we call legacy. Selfish men are part of the problem. Strong men, we're part of the solution. And that's why Wise O.G. rule number 15 is simple but powerful. Be useful, 2 words, telling us to bring value to your home, your family, and community. Now, sometimes people are going to completely reject or ignore the value that you're trying to bring. They won't listen to your opinion. They'll reject your assistance. But never let it be said that you saw failure, loss, and suffering, and you offered and did nothing. Because at the end of the day, strong men don't just live in the village. We help build and protect it.